What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Monday, March 17th, we have the video you've been waiting for. Costco's top 20 TVs in 2025, ranked from worst to best. Let's not waste any time and get into it. Starting the video off with our value and budget picks. In the number 20 spot, we have the Hisense QD6 series. Now this TV is a lower end option, but it does have decent performance, though it's not as bright or accurate as other higher end models. Now this TV is a budget friendly TV model, has that quantum dot technology, 4K. It does provide a nice color accuracy and vibrancy than many standard LED TVs. While it does deliver a nice solid picture quality, it does lack some of the advanced brightness as other TVs. Now we can see this one here on display. It doesn't look too bad. We're looking at the 65-inch here. It's $339.99. I am going to attach some specs on the next segment right here that you can see. That way, if you do want to pause the video, you can and read it. And moving up to the number 19 spot, we have the Samsung DU7200 series. Now this TV is an entry-level LED TV here. It does have decent quality, but what it lacks is contrast and brightness. It is an improvement over the Hisense QD6 series that we just saw, has better motion handling, and it has the crystal UHD technology which Samsung has. It also has an improved upscaling that you're going to love. This is a nice, reliable 4K TV, a better choice than the Hisense. It's on sale with Costco's instant savings till March 30th. You can pick it up here for $329.99. At my local warehouse, we only had the 55-inch available. You may have a larger size that you can pick up at your local warehouse, or you can head over to Costco.com. Here are some specs on it. And the number 18 spot from LG, we have the UT8000. This is their budget-friendly model, suitable for general TV viewing, but it won't compete at all with premium models. It's definitely a step up than the DU7200 with better contrast and wider viewing angles. This is a pretty nice TV. It's AI-powered. It's more refined than Samsung's entry-level TV. Now, this does make a great TV. Now, keep in mind, every TV in today's video is 4K. That's just an obvious. We don't have anything less than 4K. These are Costco's top 20. You can get some here at the warehouse, but a majority of them you can grab online as well. Now this TV here, we're looking at their 75-inch, $579.99. Now this deal is valid till March 23rd. Now we just saw the UT8000, but here we're looking at the UR8000. Now the UT8000 replaced this current TV, so you may have either or at your local warehouse. I would suggest picking up the UT8000, even though these TVs are pretty much identical. So this is the UR8000. It's a little bit more money because this is an 86-inch. And if you didn't know, when you jump from the 70s to the 80s, the price really does go up. But anyways, friends, I am going to leave the features on the next page over. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you loving this video so far? And now, friends, let's move on to the number 17 spot. Next, we have the Samsung Q60D series. Now, this TV is pretty nice. It's a premium quad dot display, so that is nice. It's a budget-friendly QLED TV with a decent performance, though it does lack some of the premium features, obviously, at this price range. Now, this does have the quantum dot display compared to the UT8000. That's a standard LED panel. This one has improved brightness, color volume. It's a pretty nice TV, HDR performance, making this a great entry-level QLED TV. It's priced at $999.99. Check it out here at Costco.com. In the number 16 spot, Sony has entered our list with the Bravia 3. Now this is just our entry-level Bravia, but that's okay. Still pretty decent here. Offers a nice solid processing, but what it does lack, it lacks a premium picture quality. But what do you expect? We're still looking at value and budget picks. Now it's a good TV, great performance, it's affordable. Now what it also has, it has a nice improved motion handling, a better color accuracy compared to the number 17 spot, the Samsung Q60D series. Now thanks to Sony's X-Reality Pro processing, this does have that upscale content, makes the TV look super sharp. You are going to love the picture. Anybody who cares about image clarity, this is definitely an upgrade from all the other TVs I just mentioned. This is a great price at $899.99. And just 1 second, friends, I am going to plug my giveaway very quickly. And just a quick announcement, friends, we are doing a new giveaway. We have this super cool Lego suitcase and backpack, and it's very easy to enter. I am going to leave a link in the description. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have Instagram, follow me there too. Make sure you like, comment, and share my posts. Watch my Costco videos, watch my Sam's Club videos, and do not forget to watch my Amazon videos, because starting today, March 6, 2025, my Amazon videos will have a secret code. Grab that secret code, enter it into the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries. The giveaway does end April 1st, 2025. Good luck, everyone. Back to the video. We are going to switch categories because now we're looking at solid performers, your affordable OLED and QLED TVs. In the number 15 spot right in front of us, we're looking at the Samsung Q72D series. Now this TV is an entry-level QLED TV from Samsung, but it does take things a bit further because it does offer a better native contrast ratio and an enhanced HDR performance over the Bravia 3, which makes it a better TV. Now it also offers a more advanced gaming features. For those of you who like to game, it offers a lower input lag, VRR, making it much better choice if you like to play video games. So for those of you who like to game, watch a great crisp picture, this is a perfect TV for you to pick up. It's an entry-level QLED TV priced at $999.99. The whole purpose of today's video is to prepare you for the upcoming weeks. We're going to start seeing a lot of clearance from now all the way into April. So that's why I did make today's video, is to help you out, give you a little bit of knowledge before you do make a purchase. Now we're going to start seeing a lot of clearance. Anything that ends in a 97 here at the warehouse or Costco.com is a clearance product. We're going to start seeing a lot of it. Why? Because Costco needs to bring in the new 2025 model TVs, and they do have a lot of them. Right in front of us, we have the Samsung Q72D series on clearance for $749.97. In the number 14 spot from Samsung, we have their Q80D series. Now this TV is a solid mid-range QLED TV, has good performance, but what it lacks some of those higher end features like peak brightness and color vibrancy. It builds off of the Q72D series by introducing a better backlighting, also has an improved brightness, has better anti-reflective properties, making it ideal for brighter rooms. So if you have a brighter room, you definitely want to choose this TV over the Q72D series. That's why it's a better TV and priced a little bit more money. It's 120 hertz as well. It's a great TV at $1,099.99. Some of you may have it at your local warehouse, but unfortunately I did not. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, this video did take me about a couple of weeks to assemble. I'm doing a little bit here, a little bit there. So much information to grab. If you can hit that thumbs up button, I would appreciate it. In the number 13 spot from LG, we have the QLED 85. Now this TV does feature mini LED technology, which gives it a nice improved black levels, has local dimming compared to the Q80D, which already makes it a plus, a better option. Also has better color accuracy thanks to its quantum dot and nano cell combination. This TV is a great choice for those of you who want an OLED but don't want to pay the price, they want the performance. This TV is it right here. Check out that price, $999.99 is valid to the 23rd, and we can see the star in the top right corner, meaning this product is going to be discontinued. Expect that to drop on clearance after the 23rd. In the number 12 spot from Hisense, we have their U75 series right in front of us. Now this TV, I am going to market a great value option. Why? Because it offers a solid performance here. Now this does refine the QLED's 85 strengths by offering a higher peak brightness and a better uniformity. This TV, the cost to performance ratio is the reason why I am giving this a great value option, giving it a balance of brightness, contrast, and gaming features at an affordable price at $999.99. But check out what we have here. We have this Costco's warranty plan, 5 years of total coverage included, Allstate's 3-year protection plan. Great price at $1,000. In the number 11 spot, we have the LG QLED 90. Now this TV is pretty amazing. It's a solid performance with LG's mini LED tech here, has improved contrast, and it has local dimming. This is a great alternative for OLED TV at a more affordable price. Now this TV does improve on the U75 by offering even a better local dimming. Also has the mini LED technology compared to the Hisense. It delivers a much better color accuracy and also has a smoother motion, making it a better choice for those of you who love sports and action-packed content. It's 120 hertz, as you can see, a hefty price at $1,499.99. In the number 10 spot, we have the Sony X90CL. Now, this TV is a fan favorite across the internet. Everyone loves this TV. Why? Because the picture quality is pretty amazing at this price point compared to the other Bravia TVs. Also has a very good solid motion handling, and this TV is even great for gamers as well. It has a better image processing and a better HDR tone compared to the QLED 90. That's why I did mark this TV in the number 10 spot. Also, with Sony's cognitive processor XR, it does deliver a more natural looking color, a better motion clarity. You can see right there, pretty amazing, making it a fantastic mid-range choice, especially for those of you who love movies, sports, and games. This is a pretty great TV at $1,299.99. Explains why it's a fan favorite across the internet. And it's that time, friends, where we do have to switch categories. We are entering the premium mid-range OLED and QLED TVs. In the number 9 spot, once again from Sony, we are looking at the Bravia 7 QLED TV. Now, this TV is pretty amazing. It does offer a solid QLED performance at a lower price, which everyone loves. This TV is awesome. Now, compared to the X90CL, this TV is definitely a huge upgrade. Offers better brightness, better color accuracy. It's a great upgrade for those of you who want deeper colors and much better cinematic experience. This TV is pretty amazing. Look at that picture quality. We have a lot of inventory of these TVs at my local warehouse, so you do want to check the inventory. Now, what we can notice on this TV after looking at it, let's go evaluate that price sign. We can see in the star, the top right corner, check out that star. That means this TV is going to be discontinued here at Costco, so this TV is definitely going to drop on clearance. They have so many left, they need to bring the newer models in. $1,499.99. And moving on to the number 8 spot, this time from Samsung, we have the QN90D. Now, this TV is probably one of the best LED models you can buy, especially in bright rooms. If you have a very bright room, bright living room or dining room where you're putting this TV in, this is a great TV for the price point. Excellent brightness and color accuracy, has a mini LED, 120 hertz as we can see here. Now, this TV in general, it does take the brightness to a whole new level. That's why I did mark this in the number 8 spot. This TV is very nice, outstanding peak brightness compared to the Bravia 7. It has a mini LED like I said. The backlight does offer local dimming and improved contrast. Priced at $1,799.99, and this does include the Allstate 5-year protection plan, which is pretty awesome. And our first OLED TV for today's video from LG. In the number 7 spot, we have their B4. Now, this is a budget-friendly OLED TV, but that's okay. The picture quality is super amazing on this TV. It does offer the benefits of an OLED TV without spending that high price tag. Now, this TV does offer perfect blacks, has that infinity contrast. It's pretty amazing. It outperforms a lot of TVs in dark rooms. That's why this TV is awesome. Now, this TV does have a superior picture quality, especially when it comes to movies and gaming, because that OLED panel, check it out right here. Does look pretty amazing. Also, what can we see on this price tag? We can see that infamous Death Star, that star in the top right corner, meaning this TV will be discontinued. Expect this TV to drop on clearance fairly soon. In the number 6 spot from Sony, we have the Bravia 8. Now, this TV is a great balance of picture quality, color, and processing. All three of them. Pretty amazing here. Now, this TV does improve over the LG B4 by offering a better image processing and motion clarity. Now, both TVs are OLED TVs, except this TV does have Sony's XR processor, so that means you get a little bit better color accuracy, smoother motion, and this does make a better choice for a TV when it comes to sports, high-speed action. This is a great TV. Look at that image quality, pretty amazing here. Now, you can see now these TVs are starting to look better and better and better. It's priced at $1,599.99. Only 5 more TVs to go, friends, and we are going to enter the top tier category, the best OLED and the best QLED TVs. This is my favorite category. Let's get into it. In the number 5 spot from Sony, we have the Bravia 9 QLED TV. Now, this QLED TV is pretty amazing, especially when it comes to color accuracy. That's where it excels at. The only issue is when it comes to picture quality, it just doesn't compare to those OLED blacks. Especially for this price point, you would expect a little bit more. Now, when it comes to motion processing and accurate color reproduction, this TV is amazing. Has that Sony XR processor, so this TV is pretty much among the best when it comes to LED TVs, especially for cinematic viewing. This TV is awesome. In the number 4 spot from Samsung, we're looking at their S90D. Samsung finally returns, and this TV is amazing. Now, it does have even better brightness and better color volume compared to the Sony Bravia and Bravia 9. This TV is pretty amazing. Now, what it lacks that Dolby Vision, but it has Quantum Dot. That OLED technology does deliver a nice, richer HDR experience, making it still a top-tier TV. Now, a lot of people like to compare this TV to LG C4. These are pretty much Costco's two top-selling TVs. The S90D and the LG C4. Both TVs are pretty amazing. Some people will say that the Samsung S90D is better than the C4, and some people will say this LG C4 is better than the S90D. Now, me personally, I think the C4 is better. Check how thin that bezel is. Super nice TV. In the number 3 spot, we do have Costco's best-selling TV, LG C4. Now, I'm not 100% this is the best-selling TV. That's what the manager told me. But here it is, the LG C4. I do know the picture quality is amazing. Check out that picture quality. Looks so good. Those blacks are so nice on it. Now, this does have a more polished OLED display on it compared to the S90D. My opinion has a better uniformity, also has better Dolby Vision as well. Pretty amazing here. Look at that picture quality. Looks so good. Now, some people will say the Samsung does look better. In my opinion, the LG looks way better. I'm hoping this TV does drop on clearance. I'm not too sure because this is Costco's best-selling TV. Here at the warehouse, it's on sale right now. The price is valid to the 23rd, so don't expect it to drop on clearance till after March. $21.99.99. And back to Samsung in the number 2 spot, we have the S95D. Now, this is the runner-up. Samsung's S95D is one of the best OLED TVs on the market. It's very nice, but look at that price tag, very hefty. Now, compared to the C4, this is a very bright TV and maintains OLED's infinity contrast. That's why it's a little bit better. Has exceptional HDR brightness, making it a fantastic choice both for dark and bright rooms. And especially the viewing angles are pretty amazing. 120 hertz. This TV is awesome. But look at the price, $2,999.99. Now, this TV, one of Samsung's best. The brightness is outstanding. The color vibrancy, great. Deep contrast, and it's ideal for high-end viewing. And finally, the best of the best, in the number 1 spot from LG, we have their G4. Now, this TV does represent the pinnacle of OLED technology. It's so nice, the creme de la creme. Now, this TV does offer superior brightness than all the other OLED models. Why? Because it has that micro lens array, which is pretty amazing. Compared to the S95D, this also supports Dolby Vision, has the best OLED processing also as well. Now, the TV is pretty amazing. Anyone who buys this TV, you're going to be blown away. This is the ultimate choice for those of you who want the best picture quality. Now, check out that price tag. Now, this is the spot where to buy it at. Even though you can find it cheaper at the current moment, don't forget Costco's warranty is pretty amazing. Their return policy is pretty amazing. So definitely check out Costco.com. I'm pretty sure most of you don't have this TV at your local warehouse, but if you do, leave a comment below. I'd love to know. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And especially, don't forget about the giveaway. It's free to enter, completely free. We're giving away that free Lego luggage set. Alright friends, I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Hit that thumbs up button, support the channel. Peace.